Okay, in this one, I've got this thing charged about right. Let's notice some of the numbers. We're at 30 degrees, 32 degrees outdoor ambient, suction pressure 41.8, superheat 9.9, head 162, 163, and 17 subcool. Fixed orifice device machine. Let's look at the temperature split. Okay, temperature split on this thing is about 14. Okay, we're going to pull some refrigerant out of this, and we're going to try to charge this thing by superheat. And I'll see how we come out. Because the charge right now is about right. Okay, now I pulled refrigerant out of this machine, and let's look at our numbers. 33.8 suction, 29.6 superheat, 148 head pressure, 15.2 subcool. 35.6 is our ambient. It's gone up a little bit since I started. Okay, looking at our indoor split, we've got around 10. Supply air temperature is 78. The return is 69. Okay, I have pulled out 4 pounds 12 ounces out of this machine. Its weight in charge is about 6 pounds even. So I'm going to start charging this thing, and I'm going to try to charge it by superheat, and let's see what happens. Okay, I put a little charge back into this machine. Now remember, I originally charged this thing by weight, and I checked it also with discharge temperature. Okay, now I've got superheat, actually maybe a little bit lower than what I started, at 8.6. And then of course PSIG is 44 suction and 160 head. High subcool as usual this machine. We're a little bit warmer right now. We're at 36 degrees ambient. And let's take a look at split. Okay, you can see the splits run about 14. It varies quite a bit on this thing, but it's averaging at about 14. Okay, I had removed about 4 pound 12 ounces, and I've got about 3 pound 14 still not put back in, but my superheat's about right. So, can I charge these things by superheat fixed orifice in the winter? You're going to be massively undercharged, because this thing is going to take almost 4 pounds more refrigerant. As it gets colder outside, these things take less refrigerant, and so they simply don't use it. They put it in the some of it goes for subcool, and the rest of it all goes into the accumulator. So charging the fixed orifice machine in winter using superheat method is not going to work.